Ever wondered how fierce rivals became cosmic collaborators? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey from Cold War showdowns to historic handshakes in space. Witness the incredible transformation of space exploration, where competition gave birth to groundbreaking cooperation, and the impossible became reality. Let's dive into the epic saga of humanity's race to the stars. As the Cold War still burned, two spacecraft from opposing ideologies came together. The American Apollo crew emerged into the Soviet Soyuz, and the two commanders exchanged the first international handshake in space. This mission heralded a new age in space exploration, transitioning from tension-fueled competition to collaboration. The space race began as an arms race, aiming for superiority between the USSR and the USA. After launching the first satellite, humanity sent Yuri Gagarin, the first human, into space. His bravery proved humans could survive and possibly thrive in space. This achievement spurred the development of new technologies and space stations. The space race was rooted in World War II's technological advancements, particularly Germany's V-2 rockets. The US and USSR raced to acquire these technologies and scientists, leading to Operation Paperclip, where the US secretly evacuated thousands of German scientists. In 1957, the USSR launched the world's first intercontinental ballistic missile and modified it to carry Sputnik, the first artificial satellite. Sputnik's success ignited a global fascination with space. The US quickly scrambled to launch its first satellite, Explorer 1, which discovered the Van Allen radiation belts. The next goal was human spaceflight. NASA initiated Project Mercury, selecting 7 astronauts from test pilots. The Soviets also chose their cosmonauts, with Yuri Gagarin becoming the first human in space in 1961. His flight lasted only 108 minutes but marked a significant milestone. Gagarin's return to Earth was perilous, but he safely landed, solidifying his place in history. A month after Gagarin, Alan Shepard became the first American in space with a suborbital flight. John Glenn followed in 1962, completing the first American orbit. Both missions were widely broadcast, showcasing space exploration's global impact. The Soviets continued to lead with Valentina Tereshkova, the first woman in space, despite her struggles with space sickness. The US responded with the Gemini program, preparing for 2-person crews. The Soviets, meanwhile, risked their crew's safety with the Voskhod missions, aiming to stay ahead in the space race. The space race had its tragedies. In 1967, 3 NASA astronauts died in the Apollo 1 fire, and cosmonaut Vladimir Komarov perished during Soyuz 1's re-entry. The Soviets suspended their lunar program, and America eventually reached the moon in 1969. Both nations then shifted focus to space stations. The USSR launched Salyut 1 in 1971, pioneering long-term space habitation. The US followed with Skylab, conducting numerous experiments despite technical issues. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 promoted peaceful exploration, leading to the Apollo-Soyuz test project, a symbol of international cooperation. The Soviet Union continued with the Mir space station, an international project involving astronauts from various nations. Mir faced many challenges but was a significant step in space habitation. It was eventually decommissioned in 2001. NASA's Space Shuttle program, beginning in 1981, revolutionized space transport. The shuttle launched satellites, conducted experiments, and serviced space stations. Despite disasters with Challenger in 1986 and Columbia in 2003, the program contributed greatly to space exploration. The shuttle program ended in 2011 with Atlantis' final flight. The construction of the International Space Station, ISS, marked a new era of cooperation. Since 2000, humanity has maintained a presence in low Earth orbit, conducting scientific research and fostering international collaboration. The ISS has become a hub for experiments and a model for future space exploration. The future of space exploration now involves commercial ventures. In 2020, SpaceX launched astronauts to the ISS, marking a new era of private spaceflight. The ISS remains crucial for studying long-term human habitation in space, preparing humanity for future missions beyond Earth. From rivalry to unity, the journey of space exploration showcases humanity's potential to overcome challenges and achieve greatness. The ISS stands as a testament to what we can accomplish together, paving the way for future generations to explore the cosmos. From the fiery beginnings of the space race to the enduring legacy of the International Space Station, we've witnessed how the quest for the stars has evolved from fierce competition to inspiring cooperation. As we look to the future, the spirit of exploration and unity continues to guide us. Thanks for watching the Orbital Insights.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any future episodes of the Orbital Insights. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and be curious about space.